Hi, I'm Alison Trager with Cambrooke Therapeutics, and today we're going to be doing a brand new recipe for the holidays. A rustic, low-protein sausage and cranberry stuffing using our brand new Cambrooke low-protein sausage patty mix, our home-style bread, and our chicken consomme. So the first thing we have to do is we have to prepare our bread. You're going to take about a half a loaf of our home-style bread, and you're going to cube it into about 1-inch pieces. You're going to bake it in the oven at 375 degrees until it's lightly toasted, so that it hardens a little bit, so the liquid in the recipe can be absorbed within that stuffing mixture. So for our sausage patty mix, what you're going to do is you're going to take 1 cup of our mix, and you're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil and a teaspoon of oil and about 1/4 cup of water until a patty is formed. And what you're going to do is then form that patty and flatten it out and put it in a non-stick skillet with oil and cook it like a pancake. And once it is brown, lightly browned on each side, you are going to then start breaking it up so that you can start to form crumbles, which I have here. Once that is done, you're then going to move on to your vegetables, where you're going to take a half a cup of onions and a cup of celery and saute them up until they're lightly soft, which we are currently doing right now. Once they are softened, you're then going to add 1/3 cup of butter until it melts. So as I'm letting this melt, I'm going to go to the next step, which is our cranberries. Our cranberries are using our chicken consomme. You're going to use 1 cup of water and a teaspoon of our chicken consomme and let it heat up. And after it has heated, you're going to add 1 cup of dried cranberries so that the dried cranberries actually absorb that chicken consomme flavor, so that it plumps up and provides a really nice texture and flavor to your stuffing. So now that all of the ingredients are made, now we have to actually incorporate it all together so that you have that nice tasty stuffing for Thanksgiving. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take our toasted home-style breadcrumbs, and you're then going to add in the sausage patty crumbles. And you're going to toss it around so that it's all evenly incorporated. You're going to add in your spices, your thyme, your sage, and your rosemary. And then you're going to add the liquids. And this helps, the liquids will help to make the toasted bread a little softer. And this is something really great to do with the family, to get them involved. They'll think that it's fun. And for the kids, they can actually tell their family that they helped to make Thanksgiving dinner. So you're going to mix everything together. And then you're going to put it in a 9x13 pan. And you're going to bake it in the oven at 375 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. And after it's been baking for about 10 to 15 minutes, this is the end result. A yummy, low-protein sausage and cranberry stuffing brought to you by Cambrooke Therapeutics. For this recipe and more, please visit www.cambrooke.com. Happy holidays!